Campbell Chapel. If we can pull up the slides, we'll give you a quick update on the restoration and the rehabilitation of the historic chapel by way of keep going. There's a picture of the chapel before on the left, before we started the rehabilitation. On the right is the inside pews. If you go to the next slide, you'll see that's what happened when we pulled the wall coverings off and we pulled the flooring off. We discovered the original flooring was still intact. You'll also note a choir loft is in back that was added. If you keep going with the slides, you'll see there's on the left the termite infestation that existed. On the right, the new wood sills that we put in to shore up the foundation of the church. If you keep going to the next slide, you'll see we took the walls down, took the social hall down, which had been added in 1957. It was not part of the original structure, so it had to come out. And then we discovered an apse in the rear of the church. If you go to the next slide, you'll see that's where we took the front porch down, and that's where we found the oyster shells on the right side. We put temporary columns, which is what you see today on the left-hand side. On the next page, I think we get into the budget, and you'll see there, if it's highlighted in green, it's already been paid for. The planning phase, phases 1 and 2 have been paid for, and we're starting phase 3, just a little under $700,000. We've raised $328,000. We have another $100,000 in blue that's moved through three steps with Beaufort County. On January 12th, be in prayer with us because it's going to go through the final step, and we're hoping to get approval for that. Still need to raise $275,000 to complete phase 3, but we've got a proposal in to Beaufort County. We also have a proposal in to Preserving Black Churches. That's a national foundation for $200,000. All in, we've raised $935,000 with another $100,000 in process. So when that comes through, we'll be a little over $1 million, but we still have $1 million to go, but we're making great progress. We have worked with an accounting firm to shore up our accounting, our finances account for where the dollars are going, because we're getting public funding. We have to demonstrate that we're being responsible with it. From a communication standpoint, we've been putting these monthly updates on the website, and it's drawing a following. In October, over 3,500 views were taken of the monthly reports that we're doing. And we're getting connections, interest. A multi-denomination group called Building Bridges is coming to our church in February. Other churches from around the area, because they want to see what we're doing in this space. Our ask for you finally is to thank God for the goodness on the last slide that He's given to us through this process. Pray that our work continues to be at the center of God's will. Thank you very much.